Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix if your Android is running slow. So if your Android is running slow, there might be various reasons behind it. Sometimes your Android might be running slow because of some temporary glitches on the software. So in that case, what you can do is simply restart your phone. For that, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem can be solved. If this does not solve your problem, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is simply clear the cache. So what you have to do is launch open settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option storage. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. So what you have to do is find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app storage interface. Tap on any application that you think might have the cache data. Now you'll be led to the storage interface of that particular app. What you have to do is simply tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of that particular application will be cleared. Now you can simply follow this process for all the applications that you think might have cache data. This might improve your phone's performance, but if this also does not solve your problem, what you can do is simply uninstall the unused app. Sometimes even if you do not use the app, it can still consume storage space and background resources. In that case, what you have to do is simply uninstall those apps. So what you have to do is simply go to the settings interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for apps. Simply tap on it. Now tap on the option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. Simply tap on the application that you do not use anymore. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on the option uninstall. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now you can see over here that particular application will be uninstalled. Follow the same process for all the unused applications. After that, your problem might be solved. But if your phone's performance is still not improved, in that case you can simply check for the update. So what you have to do is go back to the settings interface. Now in this interface, find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for software update and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the software update interface. If your version is up to date, you'll be able to find the message version up to date. But if your software requires the update, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that, your software will be updated and your problem can be solved. If this also does not solve your problem, the last thing that you can do is simply factory reset your phone. In that case, go back. Now in the system interface only, you'll be able to find the option for reset options. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the reset options interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for erase all data or factory reset. Once you find it, simply tap on it. After that, follow through the prompts in order to factory reset your phone. Now once your phone has been factory reset, your problem can be solved. So that is how you fix your Android running slow. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.